Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home decor ideas. Today, we're delving into the art of balcony design, transforming your outdoor space into a personal sanctuary, and explore a variety of design concepts to elevate your balcony experience. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Balcony decor design is the art of creating a stylish and functional outdoor space on your balcony. It involves carefully selecting furniture, plants, accessories, and lighting to enhance the aesthetic appeal and comfort of your balcony. By considering factors such as your personal style, the size and shape of your balcony, and the climate in your area, you can design a space that is both inviting and practical. Whether you want a tranquil oasis for relaxation or a vibrant entertainment area, balcony decor design offers endless possibilities to transform your outdoor space. To infuse your balcony with a sense of warmth and comfort, consider these essential elements. First, seating. Invest in comfortable and stylish outdoor furniture that complements your balcony's aesthetic. Opt for cushioned seating, such as lounge chairs or sofas, to enhance relaxation. Second, textiles. Add a touch of personality with cozy textiles like throw pillows, blankets, and rugs. Choose colors and patterns that harmonize with your overall design scheme. Third, lighting. Create a soothing ambience with soft, ambient lighting. String lights, lanterns, or solar-powered lights can add a magical glow. Fourth, plants. Incorporate lush greenery to bring life and vibrancy to your balcony. Consider adding potted plants, hanging baskets, or vertical gardens. Fifth, by thoughtfully combining these elements, you can create a welcoming and inviting retreat that invites you to unwind and enjoy the outdoors. What are some space-saving balcony design ideas? Small balconies don't have to compromise on style. Here are some clever space-saving tips. First, multifunctional furniture. Opt for furniture that serves multiple purposes, such as folding tables or storage ottomans. Second, vertical gardening. Utilize vertical space with wall-mounted planters or hanging gardens to maximize growing area without taking up floor space. Third, foldable furniture. Consider foldable chairs or tables that can be easily stored away when not in use. Fourth, built-in storage. If possible, incorporate built-in storage solutions like shelves or cabinets to keep your balcony organized. By implementing these space-saving strategies, you can create a functional and aesthetically pleasing balcony, even in limited square footage. How can I add privacy to my balcony? Ensure privacy and tranquility on your balcony with these creative solutions. Here are the options. 1. Privacy screens. Install privacy screens or trellises with climbing plants to create a natural barrier. 2. Particularly designed furniture. Choose furniture with built-in privacy features, such as high-backed chairs or sofas. 3. Hanging curtains. Hang sheer curtains or blinds to provide a sense of privacy while still allowing natural light. 4. Strategic planting. Plant tall plants or shrubs along the edges of your balcony to create a natural privacy screen. With these privacy-enhancing techniques, you can enjoy your balcony without feeling exposed to prying eyes. What are some unique and creative balcony decor ideas? Elevate your balcony design with these imaginative concepts. 1. Water features. Incorporate a small water feature, such as a fountain or bird bath, to add a soothing sound and visual element. 2. Art and decor. Personalize your balcony with unique artwork, sculptures, or decorative accents that reflect your style. 3. Outdoor rugs. Add a pop of color and texture with a durable outdoor rug. 4. Hammocks or swings. Create a relaxing retreat with a hammock or swing. 5. Outdoor kitchen or bar. For a truly indulgent experience, consider setting up a small outdoor kitchen or bar area. By incorporating these unique and creative elements, you can transform your balcony into a one-of-a-kind outdoor oasis. How can I incorporate plants into my balcony design? Plants play a vital role in creating a vibrant and inviting balcony. Here are some tips for incorporating greenery into your design. 1. Choose plants that thrive in your climate. Consider factors like sunlight, temperature, and humidity when selecting plants. 2. Mix and match textures and colors. Create visual interest by combining plants with different leaf shapes, sizes, and colors. 3. Experiment with vertical gardening. Utilize wall-mounted planters or hanging baskets to maximize space and add a unique aesthetic. 4. Incorporate edible plants. Grow herbs, vegetables, or fruits to enjoy fresh produce and add a functional element to your balcony. 5. Don't forget about flowering plants. Introduce seasonal blooms to add color and fragrance to your balcony. By thoughtfully incorporating plants into your balcony design, you can create a lush and inviting outdoor space that is both beautiful and functional. As you can see, there are countless ways to transform your balcony into a stylish and functional retreat. By carefully considering your personal style, space limitations, and desired atmosphere, you can create a balcony that is truly your own. Remember, the key to a successful balcony design is to have fun and experiment with different elements until you achieve the perfect balance. I encourage you to explore these ideas and let your creativity flow. By following these expert tips, you can elevate your balcony experience and create a truly inspiring outdoor space. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.